I'm Marika, welcome to my channel, and I'm really glad to see you. Yeah. So, in this video I want to show you my previous video where I did a makeup when my arm was broken, and yeah, it was a video which I filmed like in last year. Yeah, it was like an April 2017. I decided to show you that because maybe for someone it will be helpful, because if you break your arm or hand, it doesn't mean you cannot do makeup. You just should try, but it's more like natural look, because when your arm is broken, and actually it was a right arm, so, and I do almost everything with my right hand, so not left, and I don't know how to do things with the left hand, so I did a makeup with this hand, and there was not for difficult things like difficult makeup. Before we will start, I want to say you give this video a thumbs up, because why not? If you enjoyed this video, why not give me a thumbs up? And if you're not subscribed, look at me. I'm showing you should subscribe. Let's get started, right? Boom. Hi, so currently I didn't talk in this video properly, so just, yeah, look at this picture right now and listen to me. Look at my hair there, it was so long, gorgeous, don't they? So now I'm gonna use a concealer. It's not really hard to open this, but it's easy to use. I use it for like a little spots under my eyes and my nose, because I don't like the color of my nose, it's like a red, so I use a concealer. Now I'm gonna use a BB cream, and look how I'm trying to open it. But the most difficult part is sneeze out the BB cream. Look at me, I'm really trying so hard, but it's just don't want to go. Look. And that just hurt. And yeah, just using and dab 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 dab. Using like a normal BB cream. I do makeup with my fingers. I hope it's okay for you. Now I'm going to use a powder. I use it for all my face, because I want it will be like a matte effect. So I use it for all my face and a little bit on the neck. You can see my arm is broken, but not really the arm. I broke the finger, one finger. Now you can see I'm gonna use a mascara. I'm sorry, I forgot. So mascara, and that's actually the hardest part of the makeup, because I was afraid to put it on my eye, like inside my eye. Do you understand me? Now I show you that the slowly effect, like in real life, and then it will be the faster. So this makeup, like, it's really natural makeup, nothing really hard in this, just concealer, BB cream, powder, mascara, and actually that's all. Yeah, and lipstick maybe. Yeah, lipstick I used. Look at this photo, disgusting photo, but I mean the quality. But I can't find the right angle. Did you enjoy this video? I hope you did. I was trying to do something interesting in montage, and that's not really like big level of montage editing stuff, but I'm trying to do it more interesting than it was, because that was just so long, like I'm feeling bad while I'm doing it, so yeah, not really interesting. So, before I'll say you goodbye, I want to show you my nails, because I did so pretty nails, and I really hope you will like it. So, what is on my hand? Hands. I'm really nervous, and yeah, before I'll go again, I want to say you check my makeup. I did a makeup, and I don't know, is it cool or not? I'm not really great in makeup stuff, even though I'm 19 years old. Yeah, but I don't know how to do makeup. That's all I can do. That's like, wow, how did I do that? Yeah, yeah. And again, like literally the last thing, I found these things for gum, which like a tattoo, temporary tattoo. And I find it funny because it's still working. One is right here. Look. Show him. Sexy. Okay. So, now it's time to say you goodbye. To see you later. Okay. See you in next video. Bye.